How I do my makeup myself as a small girl when they stay for UK, when not to get money, carry go give makeup artists make it chop. So I got to do everything myself. A lot of messages and DM do come to my phone like this, Benny. How do you do your makeup? Your makeup is beautiful. Do a makeup tutorial. So here we are today. Oh yeah, carry your chest, sit down, leg. This one I did face where be like face when mosquito don't bite. I just come up for inside bedroom. As the cheek they shine, so we need to step on that with a lot of product. As we know work on face when they shine like shine bubble, or face where over dry, all the same, just make and day medium and mediable. I carry all my serum and vitamin C, use and lolo the face. Now you don't dey sticky as it don't air dry. I rub my under eye, massage am, make it soft with the day sticky and sticky for the leave and air dry. At this point, I carry my Azio serum, use and loco the face. Then leave and make it air dry. Rub it down to my neck. I don't know why some people they rub product for face, they leave neck. Wetin neck do now? At this point, now to remove all those small tiny hair, when go make your eyebrow not smooth. Where as my husband not dey like make I cut all the eyebrow comot. Now I don't carry my pencil when I don't carve finish. I dey use Dave eye pencil today, number 3. So use and draw first line from the under, then go upper one, draw the same line. Be like say you bend am, so more make it bend yansh, go the left hand. Now I don't draw and finish. Now to fill the inside, that small space when they in between fill and then come bend your eye pencil. Use and slight draw the beginning, make it just dey faint small. At this point, it's looking kankaro the way I want it. I draw the second one, use my brush, brush and be everything for blend together. This is my foundation, this is my concealer. As you enter my head, I feel use anything, but at this point I'm mixing my foundation and concealer together. Use and paint or remove the excess eyebrow where we not want, make it shine and shineable. At this point we don't finish. Carry a flatter brush and floppy one at the same time. Use and paint the product or smoothing and make you remove all those harsh edges before it dry, make you not hard you at the end of when you put your foundation. I hope you guys are getting the point in it. Now I carry my beauty blender, use and tap inside because we want to make everything you see you don't blend. After you don't finish, if you have foundation, you not go hard you to blend together again. As we want make our eyeshadow pump out, we put a bit of concealer, then choose a very flopping brush to pack out your eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be using the pink and the darker shade to just caress it round. I don't pack in the light pink red, then darken it up on the edges. At this point, taking the lighter one, mixing the 3 colors together to just kind of remove those excess shiny on the topper one. At this point I'm done. You can see the difference. The left one is shiny while this other one is faint. Okay, let's go ahead and apply the primer. I'll carry my primer brush, use and loco around inside, like kind of put it on that particular spot where you have oily. In the process of waiting for it to get dry, let's do our eyeliner. Now the eyeliner is done, do our mascara so that both of them go dry together before you put your lashes. At this point, let's put our lashes. First of all, concentrate on the starting, then before arranging the ending. You can see the both different. This one be like cat eye, the other one be like normal eye. So we want cat eye. I kind of always love to use my wet bronzer to do a bit correction before I apply my foundation. Where we for enter correcting the just now. Okay, I don't use this red thing finish pattern for them, make it still give you a bit of bronzer and bronzer able. Then I can carry this my foundation, mix and join the other one because one light, one thick. So to give you equal level and to give you that comfortable look or mete look, I shall mix the two together. Then pad and pad able. I don't know when are they applying. Let's say the camera off. I know one at that time. I'm not sorry. Anyway, I don't blend everything finish as the color not too match my skin. I never get my right color for this country, but not my fault. I gotta use powder to make everything blend together. You see, say don't join my neck and my hand now, so everything don't be equal. At this point, I use my bronzer to bronzer my face and the cheek. They shine like say be shine bubble. Shine as say the face won't be like where mosquito for dance. I just go just now. That they come out at the now. So use this same eye pencil to line my lip because I did love nude where carry this my beautiful light pink color, use and rub and then mix it together, mix it very well. In short, concentrate on the mixing. A bit of light black on my waterline because I don't want to wash many wash today, so I shall put it very light. Oh yeah, at this point make we remove this skirt won't be like a blue trouser come out for the hair, maybe baby girl come out now. So you see you dey feel this small picky welcome out for Eastern land. No, just check them now. It be like beans. It be like beans when they just cook today. It be like honey beans. See pikin, that's so. See ya. Oh, say booyah! God take time create you, I no joke. See ya, na so. Back to business. Don't play. You gotta learn in hard way. You see this was the video I made with my makeup. You guys are like, Benny, you look beautiful. Now, so you see that DIY where you always watch for YouTube. Now UK here, now the grandfather and the grandmother day. Everything DIY. I beg, make una the DIY. They go the country too hard. We'll still survive. See you guys in my next video. Bye.